Ladies and gentlemen, step aboard the timeless 1986 Carver Montego 2757, a 27-foot cruiser that's a steal at just $5,995. Hailing from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, this classic beauty was built by Carver Yachts, known for blending affordability with solid performance. With a generous 10-foot beam, she offers surprising space for her size. No lightweight at all, making her stable on the water. Powered by twin Mercruiser 4.3-liter four-cylinder engines, delivering around 190 horsepower each, she cruises smoothly thanks to those 205 horsepower V6 stern drives. Up top, enjoy ample seating for friends and family, while down below, the cozy cabin features a well-equipped galley with fridge, sink, and plenty of storage. Perfect for weekend getaways or day cruises. Her classic design appeals to those who love retro vibes with modern amenities. Ideal for lakes or coastal adventures. If you're hunting for an entry-level cruiser that's reliable and roomy, this Montego won't disappoint. Just imagine sunset cruises with the wind in your hair. Let's dive into the 1988 Regal 250 XL, a sleek 25-footer priced at an unbeatable $7,900. Located in Marblehead, Ohio, this express cruiser from Regal Marine is all about fun on the water without breaking the bank. She's equipped with a powerful 5.0-liter to 5.7-liter engine, like the 350 V8 in some models, making her great for towing skiers or just zipping across the lake. The spacious cockpit offers plenty of seating for families or small groups, with ample storage for gear. Think coolers, skis, and snacks. Below deck, the cabin is cozy for overnight stays, perfect for day trips or water sports adventures. Her smooth handling and versatile design make her ideal for beginners or seasoned boaters looking for reliability. With options like a trailer included in some sales, she's ready to hit the road and waves. Whether you're planning a fishing outing or a relaxing float, this Regal delivers value and excitement. Don't miss out on this gem. It's a classic that's still turning heads today. Folks, check out the 1994 Bayliner 2452 Classic Cruiser, a compact 24-footer that's adventure-ready for only $7,995. Based in Lackawanna, New York, this Bayliner model is powered by a reliable Mercruiser 5.0-liter engine with alpha drive, hitting speeds up to 35 knots, plenty of pep for her size. With a 7.35 meters hull, 0.50 meters draft, and 300L fuel tank, she's efficient for coastal or lake runs. Features abound: bottom paint for protection, a hardtop with helm enclosure for all-weather cruising, trim tabs for stability, a 4-step swim ladder, rod holders for fishing, plus VHF radio and Humminbird 165 depth finder. The cabin sleeps comfortably, making her great for overnights or family outings. Produced from 1999 to 2005, but this '94 classic holds up well, offering value in the used market where prices range $6,000 to $15,000. If you're after a no-fuss cruiser with fishing potential and modern touches, this Bayliner is a winner. Hit the water and make memories. We're spotlighting the 1993 Hunter 23.5, a trailerable sailboat that's perfect for entry-level adventurers or families looking to dip their toes into sailing without breaking the bank. Priced at just $7,995, this gem is located in Palatka, Florida, and comes with a newer 2021 Infinity tandem axle aluminum trailer complete with brakes, making it super easy to tow and launch wherever the wind calls. Built by Hunter Marine from 1992 to 1997, the 23.5 was designed as a family cruiser with innovative features like water ballast for stability. The centerboard keel offers a minimum draft of 1.5 feet for shallow waters and a maximum of 5.5 feet for better upwind performance. Powered by a fractional sloop rig, it boasts a sail area of 236.73 square feet, with fore triangle at 108.38 and main at 128.35. Hull speed tops out around 6.2 knots, and it's got a comfort ratio of 12.46, ideal for day sails or short overnights. The 1998 Sea Ray 210 Cuddy Cabin, an affordable powerboat that's all about fun on the water without the hefty price tag. Listed at $8,000, this 21-footer is hanging out at Blue Turtle Bay Marina in Old Hickory, Tennessee, ready for its next owner through Lux Yachts. Sea Ray's reputation for quality shines here with a fiberglass hull built for durability. Specs include an overall length of 21 feet, beam around 8.5 feet, and a dry weight of about 3,500 pounds. Draft is shallow at 1.8 feet with drive up, extending to 3.1 feet down for stability. It's powered by a reliable Mercruiser 5.0-liter V8 inboard engine, pumping out 275 horsepower through a stern drive, perfect for water sports, cruising, or fishing. Fuel capacity is typically 37 gallons, giving you solid range for day trips. The Cuddy cabin is a standout, cozy for overnight stays with a V-berth, portable marine head, and storage galore. Up top, the cockpit seats multiple passengers comfortably, with features like a bimini top for shade, cockpit cover for protection, depth sounder for navigation, and plenty of room for coolers or gear. A tandem axle road trailer is included, making transport a breeze. At under $10,000, it's a no-brainer entry into powerboating. Would you snag this for summer adventures? Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more epic finds. The 1976 Skiffcraft X260, a classic wooden runabout that's all about timeless style and lake fun. Priced at a steal of $5,495, this 26-footer is located in Jamestown, Kentucky, and it's ready for restoration-loving enthusiasts who appreciate vintage craftsmanship. Built by Skiffcraft, known for their durable plywood hulls with mahogany trim, the X260 model features a flybridge for elevated views and sport fishing vibes. Key specs include an overall length of 26 feet, with a beam around 8 feet for stability. It's powered by a Mercruiser 233 inboard engine, delivering reliable performance for cruising or fishing. Displacement is about 3,500 pounds, making it trailerable with the right setup. Though this listing doesn't specify a trailer, many come with one. The cabin cruiser layout offers overnight potential with a cozy cuddy for two, basic galley, and head. Up top, the flybridge provides controls and seating, while the open cockpit is great for lounging or angling. This particular boat is in used condition, with well-preserved interior and upgraded mahogany accents for that elegant touch. It's perfect for day cruising, water sports, or relaxed overnights on calm waters. Owners love the classic lines and easy maintenance of these wooden beauties, but keep an eye on hull integrity as with any older wood boat. The 1997 Rinker Fiesta V, likely the 266 model based on specs, stretching to about 28 feet with trailer. At just $7,500, this express cruiser is chilling in Lakeside, Marblehead, Ohio. Perfect for families or couples seeking affordable weekend getaways on the water. Rinker's Fiesta V series is renowned for comfort and practicality. This one boasts an overall length of 27 feet 5 inches, beam of 8 feet 6 inches, and dry weight around 5,500 pounds. Powered by a MerCruiser 5.7-liter V8 engine, it cruises at 27 to 30 miles per hour at 3,200 to 3,400 RPM, with a top speed over 40 miles per hour for thrilling runs. Fuel capacity is typically 75 gallons, giving good range for lake or coastal hops. The layout shines with a spacious cockpit for entertaining, complete with seating, wet bar, and bimini top. Below deck, the cabin features a V-berth, mid-cabin berth, full galley with stove and fridge, enclosed head with shower, and dinette that converts to sleep more. Accommodates 4 to 6 comfortably for overnights. This boat's in solid, used shape, with recent maintenance like drive coupler and head pump replacements in 2022. It's trailerable, though check if included, great for storage or road trips. Ideal for water sports, fishing, or sunset cruises. Owners praise its easy handling and roomy feel. At under $8,000, it's a budget gateway to cruising life. Would you take this out for a spin? Drop your thoughts below, hit like, and subscribe for more epic boat reviews. (1995) Carver 280 Mid-Cabin Express, a compact yet spacious cruiser listed at just $6,000 on Boat Trader. Talk about a steal for budget boaters dreaming of weekend getaways. This 28-foot beauty hails from Carver Yachts, known for affordable, family-friendly designs, and is located in Rio Vista, California. With an overall length of about 29 feet 10 inches, including the swim platform, she boasts a 10 feet 5 inches beam and a shallow 3 feet draft, perfect for inland waters or coastal cruising without worrying about depth. Built with a fiberglass hull, she's powered by a single 7.4-liter MerCruiser 330 horsepower engine, paired with a Bravo stern drive or similar Volvo outdrive setups in comparable models. Check out this 1987 Carver 36 Mariner, A flybridge classic, priced at an unbelievable $6,000 on Boat Trader. Perfect for liveaboards or those seeking big boat features on a tiny budget. Located in Long Branch, New Jersey, this 36-footer from Carver Yachts measures 36 feet LOA with a generous 12 feet 6 inches beam and 3 feet 6 inches draft, allowing easy maneuvering in marinas and shallow bays. Her fiberglass hull is powered by twin 340 horsepower Mercruiser engines, delivering solid performance for her 13,000-pound displacement. The exterior screams old-school charm. A flybridge with dual helm stations for upper deck piloting, wide side decks, and an aft cockpit ideal for fishing or lounging. The bridge clearance is 11 feet 9 inches, so watch those low bridges. Inside, the spacious salon features a U-shaped dinette, settee, and inside ladder to the bridge. She sleeps up to 8 with a forward V-berth, offset double in the master, and convertible areas, great for family cruises. The full galley boasts a fridge, stove, microwave, and ample storage, while dual heads ensure convenience. Air conditioning, heat, and a full canvas enclosure keep you comfy year-round. On the water, top speeds hit around 25 to 30 knots with gas engines, cruising at 18 knots efficiently. Diesels offer better mileage at 0.58 miles per gallon, better than gas counterparts. Fuel capacity, around 240 gallons, supports longer trips. At this rock-bottom price, expect some maintenance needs, but her generous interior and liveaboard potential make her a standout. Owners love the access and roominess. Ideal for East Coast explorers or as a floating condo. If vintage vibes and value call your name, this Mariner is ready to set sail. Rev up your engines for this 2008 Glastron MX-175, a nimble 17-foot bow rider listed at a wallet-friendly $6,900 on Boat Trader. Ideal for thrill seekers on a budget looking to hit the lakes or rivers. Located in Wyoming, Minnesota, this sporty runabout from Glastron Boats is a classic entry-level bow rider, perfect for day boating, water sports, or family fun. Measuring 17 feet 1 inch LOA with an 88-inch beam and weighing around 2,100 pounds dry, she's trailerable with ease behind most vehicles, and her 2 feet 8 inches draft keeps her versatile for shallow waters. Built with a fiberglass hull and a 21-degree dead rise at the transom, the MX-175 excels in handling choppy conditions, offering stability and a dry ride thanks to high gunnels and aggressive V-hull design. Power comes from a reliable 135 horsepower inboard-outboard engine, likely a 3.0-liter Mercruiser or Volvo Penta, with only 231 hours, promising agile performance for her size. Owners report top speeds of 43 to 46 miles per hour with the 4.3-liter upgrade, cruising efficiently at 25 to 30 miles per hour, and quick planing around 2,000 revolutions per minute. Fuel capacity is about 23 gallons, making her great for short outings, but mindful of range. She's rated for up to 7 passengers, with wraparound seating, bow loungers, and a spacious cockpit for comfort. Exterior highlights include a sleek profile with integrated swim platform, bimini top for shade, and snap-in carpet for easy cleanup. Inside, you'll find a helm with full instrumentation, FM stereo, and storage galore. Amenities like a ski tow pylon, cooler space, and optional trailer make her water sports ready.